Okay, so what are the parts of a summary? A summary has three parts. The first part of a summary is a very special first sentence. The first sentence of a summary is very special because it has specific things. The first sentence includes the title of the text, a verb, and the big idea of the text. It's like the main idea of the whole text is in the first sentence. So the first thing in the summary is this special first sentence. The second thing a summary includes are the main ideas of each section. So all the main ideas of the text, main idea of each section. And the third thing your summary includes 1 to 2 supporting details for each section. So to review, a summary includes a very special first sentence that has the title, a verb, and the big idea of the whole text, the main idea of each section, and 1 or 2 supporting details for each section. What are the parts of a summary? Okay, so now I'm going to model writing this very special first sentence of a summary. So like we just said, a first sentence of a summary is special because it includes these three things in green, orange, and red. The title of the text, a verb, and the big idea. What is the big idea of the text? So the first thing is the title. That's pretty easy. It's right here. So I'm going to say the text, North and South, same country, different cultures. What is it doing? What is this text doing? So that goes to the verb. Is this text explaining? Is it describing? Is it analyzing? Is it comparing and contrasting? Arguing? Summarizing? Discusses? Some of these you could use interchangeably. They're pretty similar. Explain and describe are very similar. Is this comparing and contrasting? Well, it didn't really show how the South was and the North were the same as much as how they're different. Was the author arguing something? No, the author didn't have like an opinion, and the author didn't give us the effects of these differences. I'm going to say the author is just describing how the North and the South were different. So my verb is describe. So I started with the title. Then I picked a verb for my verb list to explain that shows what the text was doing. And now I need the big idea. What was this whole text mostly about? Well, I can see even from the title, same country, different cultures. So here, this text was about the differences. So it's describing the differences between North and South of the United States in the 1800s. Oops, that's a typo, it's supposed to be a little I. In the 1800s. So I have the title of the text, the verb that says what the text was doing, the action the text was doing, and then the big idea of the text. What was it mostly about? This now is going to be the first sentence of my summary. So, what are the parts of the first sentence of a